In today's fast-paced lifestyle, we often overlook the most important things around us. While we use motor vehicles to carry us and our goods around, we tend to forget about the waste we create using these modes of transportation. Almost 3 billion tires from these vehicles were discarded last year, making it one of the largest contributors of waste polluting our environment. In many countries, they were just dumped in landfills, creating breeding grounds for disease-carrying insects and pests. Furthermore, fires can easily occur in these landfills, spewing noxious smoke into our atmosphere and causing runoff of toxic oil and heavy metals into our ground and water. As tires take more than 20 years to completely break down, this pollution is increasing year after year at an alarming rate. In order to protect our environment and to preserve it for future generations, governments all over the world have implemented preferential policies for the recycling of waste tires. A scrap tire can be recycled 100% with no residual wastes. Its components can be reused as raw materials to make recycled or devulcanized rubber, steel shots and pellets, and plastic ropes and other products. Devulcanized rubber of various grades can be utilized to make tires, conveyor belts, and sound insulation barriers, while devulcanized rubber crumbs can be used in hot mix asphalt and bitumen for sealing road surfaces. Tire-derived rubber crumbs are also used in civil engineering applications, such as pavements, athletic fields, and industrial facilities. A new eco-friendly way of recycling waste tires into devulcanized rubber, utilizing the thermomechanical method, has been developed by Maxlink. In this process, the rubber component in the tire regains some of its elasticity or is devulcanized. This new devulcanizing system operates at atmospheric pressure and is a very safe manufacturing process, as opposed to the old system which operates at high pressure. Thermal heating oil or electromagnetic induction is employed, which is a clean heating method, whereas in the other process, a boiler is required to provide steam and sludge is discharged as a byproduct. This new system also cuts down manpower requirement by up to 75%. And power consumption by 20 to 30%. Furthermore, production capacity is doubled. The devulcanized rubber crumbs are then milled into rubber sheets of different grades. As the world continues to develop at a faster rate and more vehicles are produced and put on the road, we are faced with the uphill task as to how we should dispose our waste rubber and tires in a responsible way. By adopting new ways to process and recycle such wastes, we are not only reducing tires being dumped at landfills, but contributing to a low-carbon lifestyle and green economy as well. Maxlink is an integrated service provider that can offer the equipment and technology for recycling waste tires into devulcanized rubber in an eco-friendly way. Maxlink can secure raw materials for the customer. Maxlink also provides consultancy to assess project viability and determine plant requirements. Maxlink, using tires with care for the environment we share.